Your girl Marcy to be back with a brand new video, but I will be revisiting some hair that I tried last year this time. What hair are we talking about? Shake and Go's 100% human hair crochet. Now, this time I am going to put their claim to the test that you can dye, bleach, or perm this hair. Now, you know how the 100% human hair crochet basically comes in this color right here, natural, sometimes 1B. Well, I kind of like, it's like a color 33, a 30, 350 kind of copper color. So I am going to attempt to dye this hair using this Clairol Professional lightest red brown dye and some 20% developer. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.
So last year I installed 4 complete packs of the Naked Crochet Human Hair Wet and Wavy style, and I was able to successfully uninstall a little over 3 packs of that hair with the elastic band intact. So to begin, I brushed out all the strands of hair and then mixed equal parts of the dye and developer according to the package instructions. I decided to also try dyeing the hair with a 30 strength developer and compare the 2 results. I check the hair about every 10 minutes to see how it was progressing, and nothing really looked to be happening, so I left the dye on for the full 45 minutes according to the package instructions. So when the 20 and 30 strength developer didn't work, I went to my local beauty supply store and looked for a 40%, which they didn't have, but they had 50. Now, surely that would work. So decided to do a strand test this time using the 50 strength developer along with a lighter shade of dye and also with bleach. Even the 50 strength developer and blonde dye didn't have any effect on the hair, but the bleach was starting to work. I didn't want to damage the hair using that strong developer, so I only left it on for about 30 minutes, but that was enough time to start turning the hair a little brown with the bleach and also give it some nice warm highlights. So then I bleached all the hair, the stored hair, and a new pack I had just bought. The color of the hair in the new pack actually started lifting a lot easier and faster. I shampooed, rinsed, and saturated all the hair with a leave-in conditioner. When it was dry, I made some wand curls.
So these are my results, YouTube. The dye, epic fail with the dye, even using the 50 strength developer and the lightest shade of blonde I could find in the store. That hair was like, I mean, it didn't change at all, not even 1%. The bleach did work up to a point. Now, I didn't really want to leave that strong a developer on the hair and risk like damaging it altogether, because I had gone for one reason I had gone to my beauty supply store to pick up another pack to go with, you know, what I had left over from last year, and it was still $29.99 in the store. But I did leave the bleach on like a one test strand for 45 minutes. Did not lift it all the way to blonde. It just probably like lifted it to like a lighter copper shade like this right here. But you know, I'm happy with this. It did lift it from natural to, I'd say, like a chestnut brown with highlights, or like your color 33, which is kind of what I was going for. So that's fine. Now, let me just say that these are my results. I am not a stylist nor like an expert in dyeing hair. So maybe someone with better skills than me could get a little better result. Now, if you're wondering about how to install this hair, I did a whole video on that last year when I installed it. I will be happy to post a link, you know where, bloop, down in the description box. Check for that. If you like this video and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Click that bell to get notifications. I strive to bring you the 411 on as many of the new crochet styles hitting the market as I can, along with helpful information like this. So you're gonna want to subscribe to keep up on all that good news. YouTube, that's it for now though. Appreciate you watching. Thank you so very much. I am out, but you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.